Okay, so I have one more to do, and I showed you, I can't remember if I showed you when I opened this up, because I'm done with these, and I'm going to put it into this pillowcase, or pillow cover that I got from Hobby Lobby. Also, my daughter was getting rid of some of her pillows, so I took the insert out, and I'm going to fill these that I showed you in my haul from Hobby Lobby to go with these, because I like the white and the kind of that, well, it's kind of a dusty plum. So I'm going to open this one, because you know why? For some reason, all of the filling will go into this, because it did with the other one. But when I tried to just cover the pillow, it didn't work. And I don't know why, but it's bizarre. Because I tried, and it just would not go in. So I know I'm not going to use this brown again, so I'm just going to cut it. And I know some people go, oh Lord, no, but yeah, I am, because I can't keep all these pillows, you know what I mean? I just can't. I don't have the room. So out with the old, in with the new. And I've had these pillows many years, so it's no great shake there. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep filling it. When I'm done filling it, I'll come back and we'll do the white one. Okay, so here's the deflated pillow. So I'll throw that away. And then all the stuff, see what I mean? All the stuffing went in this, but I just couldn't get, maybe it's the way this is cut. I don't know, but nevertheless, makes a nice, pretty pillow. And there you go. I got myself a new pillow. All right, now I'm going to open up this one, because I know for a fact this one isn't going to fit. Look, it's just not going to, because these were big pillows that my daughter had. Now, actually, this is a good interfacing. So I might keep this for interfacing. So what I'm going to do now, filling up this pillow, and this pillow I got on sale, so I got 2 for $5. And you could dye these, you could stencil on them, you could do whatever you want. I'm just leaving them that off-white, that cream color. So I'm going to go ahead, keep stuffing this, and I'll be back. Okay, so I got these done, and this I just have to kind of mold into the corners and all, but very nice. What I had left over I put in a bag, and I'll use this if I make dolls or I have to stuff whatever I'm making. Another pillow. If I want to change out the pillow, get an 18 by 18 like I did here. I know I have enough stuffing. Easier to fold up a pillowcase or a pillow cover than to try to store pillows like this. I just don't have the room. So I hope that helps somebody if they want to change their pillows. Pillows can make a big difference, you guys, in your decor on the couch or a chair or a bed, whatever. And then, like I said, this material you can use for interfacing. You can cut patterns out of this material because you can see through it, you can trace, and then you've got a cloth pattern. I may do that with these too because they're a very good size. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that, and I will show you on my couch. I'm still going to cover my 2 little ones, but I'm going to do that with placemats that have been gifted to me. So I'll show you that when I get to that point. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, so here are the pillows that I added. You remember that one? That was from Michael's. And then here are the other pillows.